Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 10 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter trigonometry, and the lessons we're going to cover today are trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan, trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot, trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles, inverses of trigonometric functions. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on the chapter trigonometry, grade 10 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. So find the cos sine of angle E, right? So here is angle E, right? You need to find the cos of angle E. So cos of angle E is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So this is ED is the adjacent of angle E. This is the adjacent and this is the hypotenuse, right? So adjacent is 8 over 17. So that is cos E 8 over 17, right? Find the cosine of angle S. You need to find the cosine of angle S. So here is angle S. So cos of angle S is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent to angle S is RS and hypotenuse is SQ, right? So that is 12 over 37. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. They are already solved. So let's practice questions. The first one is find the cosine of angle S. You need to find the cosine of angle S. Here is angle S, right? So cos of angle S is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, right? So adjacent to angle S is RS and hypotenuse is SQ. So then cos of angle S is 12 over 37. Got it? So cos of angle S is 12 over 37. The correct option is option number 2, 12 over 37. Find the cos of angle E, right? So cos of angle E. So here is angle E. Cos of angle E is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent to angle E is ED and hypotenuse is EF, that is 8 over 17. Got it? The correct option is option number 1, that is 8 over 17. That is option number 1. Okay, the next one is find the sine of angle E. So sine of angle E is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Here is angle E, right? So opposite to angle E is CD. That is CD divided by CE. 72 over 97. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 72 over 97, right? If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. The next one is find the cosine of angle x. So cos of angle x is, here is angle x. That is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 33 and hypotenuse is 65. So cos of angle x is 33 over 65. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is The next lesson is trigonometric ratios cosecant, secant, and cot. So, cosecant, secant, and cot are the inverse trigonometric ratios of sine, cos, and tan, right? So, start with the first example, that is find the secant of angle h. So, secant of angle h is the opposite of cosine, right? So, then secant of here is angle h. Cos of angle h is adjacent over hypotenuse. So secant is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So from angle H, hypotenuse is 13 and adjacent is 5. So that is 13 over 5. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Find the secant of angle D. So secant is the opposite of cos, right? So then secant D is hypotenuse divided by opposite, right? No, hypotenuse divided by adjacent, right? Sorry. Secant of angle D is hypotenuse divided by adjacent because secant is the inverse operation of, like, opposite of cos. So angle D, here is angle D. So hypotenuse is 17 and adjacent to angle D is 8. So that is 17 over 8, option number 1 is the correct option, that's 17 over 8. That is option number 1 is the correct option. 17 over 8 is the correct option. Find the secant of angle F, which is the correct option. So secant of angle F, that is again, hmm, hypotenuse divided by adjacent, right? So here is angle F. Hypotenuse is 73 and adjacent is 48. So that is option number 2, that is 73 over 48, right? So the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, that's 73 over 48. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the secant of angle Z, which is the correct option. Secant of angle Z equal hypotenuse divided by adjacent, right? So hypotenuse is 89 and adjacent is angle Z 39, that is 89 over 39, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is option number 2, 89 over 39 is the correct option. Find the secant of angle E. So secant of angle E is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. That is 53 over 28. The correct option is option number 2, that is 53 over 28 is the correct option. What is the cosecant of angle W? Finally, we have a question with cosecant, right? So, cosecant of angle W equals hypotenuse divided by opposite. That is angle W. That is 65 over 56. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is 56, 65 over 56. Find the cotangent of angle I. So cotangent of angle I is reverse of the tan I. So that is opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? No, opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? So here is I. Opposite to I is 77 and hypotenuse not opposite, that is adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is right. That is 77 over 36. Hmm. So that is cotangent of angle I, right? That is adjacent over opposite. Sorry, here is I. So adjacent to I is 36 and opposite is 37. So the correct option is 36 by 77. Got it? Option number 1, that is 36 by 77. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. Find the sine of angle U. Okay, you are given two similar triangles. You need to find the sine of angle U. Hmm. Okay. If you rotate the triangle RST, so if you rotate the triangle RST, angle U is similar to angle R, right? So find the angle R. Sine of angle R is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, right? So adjacent to angle R is 28 and hypotenuse is 53. Opposite divided by hypotenuse, sorry. Sine of angle R is opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? So opposite to angle R is 45 and hypotenuse is 53. So because angle R and angle U are similar, they are the similar triangles. So angle R is similar to angle U. So angle U has the same measurement, that is 45 over 53. Got it? Because they are the same triangles. Got it? If you have any question, you can please ask. I will explain again if you need more help. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. I think that's the same one we just did, isn't it? That is option number one, 45 over 53 is the correct option, right? Okay, find the cos of angle D. So angle D is similar to angle A, right? So cos of angle A is, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent to angle A is 55 and hypotenuse is 73. So that is 55 over 70A. So angle D is 55 over 73. Okay, so the next one is find the sine of angle G, which is the correct option. Sine of angle G. G is similar to angle P. Angle B, sine of angle B is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? 3 over 5 it is. 4 over 5, opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of angle B is opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? 4 over 5. So angle B is similar to angle G. So angle G is equal to 4 over 5. So the correct option is 4 over 5. That is 4 by 5. Find the tangent of angle Q. Angle Q is similar to angle U. You need to calculate tangent of angle Q, right? Angle U, tangent of angle U, because angle Q is similar to tangent of angle U equals opposite divided by adjacent, right? So opposite is 72 and adjacent is 65. So that is tan of angle U, that is uh, 72 over 65. So the angle U is similar to angle Q. That means angle Q has the same measurement, that is 72 over 65. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2, that is 72 over 65. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. I will explain again if you need to. Okay, so we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is trigonometry. The lessons we have covered today are there are trigonometric ratios sine, cos, and tan. Trigonometric ratios cosecant, secant, and cot. Trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help in any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. They are available during the shift timing, that is from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, right? Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.